Hi everyone, my name is Laura and welcome to Casa Caribe. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the easiest ways to dye using natural colors. We're going to use turmeric powder to get a really bright yellow. This is a very great technique for beginners because you can use the turmeric powder that you find in the supermarket. To start, we're going to need natural fabric that is already pre-treated. Here I have some cotton linen that is treated with potassium alum. And I have other fabrics treated with soy milk. To be able to differentiate it at the end, I'm going to label the fabric that are treated with potassium alum and the fabric that I treat with milk. So I'm going to put all the fabric that I treat with potassium alum together, like this. And I'm going to do the same with all the fabric that I treat with soy milk. This yard of wool is treated with soy milk, but I'm going to put it at the end. Because botanic fiber tends to soak the color very fast. Now I have all my fabric labeled. Now it's time to soak them in water. I'm going to put all the fabric in a bucket and add water. I'm going to leave it soak for at least 1 hour. If you need, you can add more water. To see how much turmeric I will need, I'm going to calculate the total weight of the fabric. If you want a proportion of 1:1, you will need to add the same weight of turmeric that the weight of the fabric. But I'm going to use a 2:1 proportion, which means half of the weight of the fabric. We put the turmeric powder on a glass and pour boiling water. And then we mix. Then we're going to pour water on a pot. Remember, enough water to cover all the fabric. And then we're going to put in high temperature until we start to see the water simmer. At that point, we add the turmeric mix and turn down the heat into a lower temperature. We let it simmer for half an hour. and then we add the fabric. You will notice that the fabric changed color immediately. But to get a richer color, leave the fabric to simmer for another half an hour. Remember to mix very well to avoid bubbles that can stain the fabric. I'm going to add the protective fiber at the end. Let it cool and control the fabric to see if they have the color that you want. Once you have the right color, you can rinse all the fabric. I recommend to use gloves to protect your hands. Once you have rinsed all the turmeric powder, you can put your fabric to dry. And just like that, you obtain a really bright yellow. Historically, we've been using turmeric powder for a long time to get a bright yellow or to get green in combination with indigo. But the truth is that turmeric powder is not a very long-lasting color. The bright yellow that we get at the beginning would fade with time until we'd end up with a pale yellow or even white again. But I think this shouldn't be a reason to discourage you to try this technique. I see it as an opportunity to experiment with the color and to see how it really will change in time. So that was all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this technique. If you try it at home, please let me know and tag me on my Instagram. As always, give it a thumbs up if you like this video and remember to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!